I will explain about cross correlation. The relation between two different signals is called, that is, cross correlation. Here I will explain. Average of two different signal. I am assuming x of x1 of t at 50 second and y of t plus tau. This is rt minus tau also you can take. It is, I am assuming, at 10th seconds. Average of these two different signal is called as, that is, cross correlation or xy of tau. That is average of x of t with y of t plus tau or t minus tau. So is called cross correlation. The relation between two different signals completely, or average of two different signals, is also called, that is, cross correlation. Coming to the program, you can see this. These are the general instructions, as you know that. And I will take, that is 0 to 1 is taking, that is 0 to 1 is mentioned, that is time period. Frequency is fi for signal 1. Representation is this one, sin 2 phi fct. This is the signal 1, and f2 is the frequency of the second signal. This is the second signal representation, sin 2 phi f2 t minus 0.1. So for this, what is the cross correlation of these two signals? So for that, we need to open the MatlabTutorial and open the MATLAB and write the same code. And save it in the left side top corner, and you can save it any name, cross correlation .m. In my folder I am saving. You can save it anywhere from your folder, either D drive or somewhere. Then click on top side run option green button, right side. You will get the, that is, cross correlation output. This is the cross correlation of two continuous time signal analog signals. Thank you.